Hello, hello, hello. Magandang araw. Welcome back sa lahat ng Virgo. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na Mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin today ay ang weekly reading para sa March 16 to 22. Okay, bilis ng panahon na. Third week na ng March at papasok na ang Aries season. So, tingnan natin ang kaganapan sa inyong love life this week. At habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Virgo na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Sana continue to support it by liking this video. It helps the channel grow. And by sharing this and writing a comment sa baba. Sa mga bago, sana supportan nyo rin po ang aking channel by subscribing, by liking this video, and comment on there, lalo na kung nag-resonate. Para mag-grow ang aking channel at marami pa akong love readings na magawa para sa inyo. Okay? Maraming salamat po. Okay, so dito, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards that will be the overall energy ng reading nyo for this. Simulan natin, bubunutin ko yung third card dahil March ngayon. So your first card, Judgment. Second card, the Wheel of Fortune. And third card, Queen of Coins. Sige. Takpan lang natin siya. Saan na ba ang aking panakip? Okay. So, isod ko na lang Takpan ko siya. Cute. Okay. Basta si Queen of Coins yan. Alright. Okay. So, the overall energy is Judgment, the Wheel of Fortune, and Queen of Coins. And dito nakikita ko that this week, there will be some, I think na merong recently na di pagkakaunawaan, pero ngayon is ma-resolve na siya. Magkakaroon ng kapatawaran, forgiveness on both parties. Masisettle na siya. And as seen here by the Wheel of Fortune, this is having that opportunity to be better in yung relationship, magkakaroon ng, alam mo yun, kasi si Queen of Coins is a card of comfort. So parang shifting na yung energy from the tension to comfort. Okay, and yun na, parang umikot na yung Wheel of Fortune. Shift na siya. So from something na tension, nagkaroon ng forgiveness, umikot na siya, and nag-shift na to the energy of the King of Coins, which is an energy of comfort. Saka, alam niyo yun, parang, yung si Queen of Coins kasi is also a card of practicality. In a way na, ayaw nyo na ng drama. Tama na. Parang, enough na ng drama. Let's move on. Let's go back sa normal situation. Tama ng drama. Hindi siya nakakatulong. May ganong energy. And it's really good kasi Judgment also is making the right decision, making the right choice, okay? And you're doing the right choice for the connection para sa ikabubuti din ng relasyon ninyo. Okay, so it's a very good energy. So claim yun na. Okay, now, tingnan natin yung detalye. Ano ba yung kaganapan? Bakit ito yung overall energy na lumabas sa reading ninyo? Sige. At habang binabalasa ko ito, gusto ko remind ng lahat that this is a collective reading. So, pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo, pwedeng hindi rin. Okay? Kasi pwedeng hindi ko natap yung energy nyo sa reading na to. But, gagawa naman ako ng readings pa in the future. Kaya please supportahan nyo ang aking channel para makagawa pa ako at mag-grow itong channel na to. And, yun nga, abangan nyo na rin yung mga susunod ko pang reading or panoorin nyo yung mga past videos na post ko na baka isa doon ay resonate sa inyo. Okay? So, and if you want to book a personal reading para mas align siya sa energy ninyo, message nyo lang ako. Okay? And I'll reply naman right away kung naging detalye na personal and private reading. Okay, so bubunot ako ng 8 cards from this deck at interpret natin siya. So, third card ulit. First card, Ten of Pentacles. Second card, the Fool. Third card, the Devil. Ooh. Fourth card, Wheel of Fortune. See, lumabas ulit si Wheel of Fortune. Okay. Fifth card, Six of Swords. Sixth card, Six of Pentacles. Okay. Seventh card, Ten of Swords. And last card, King of Cups. Okay. And bottom of the deck, King of Wands. Okay. Alright. So, nagsimula siya sa Ten of Pentacles hanggang sa King of Cups with a hidden card, King of Wands. And first, there's a very strong energy of Scorpio, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, and Aries at Capricorn. Okay, so pwede yun yung signs ng person ninyo. Doesn't have to, yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Pero check nyo rin yung placements nila ng Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Baka baka yun yung signs din nila doon sa mga placements ngayon. Okay, sige. The Ten of Pentacles, okay, yung connection nyo naman very stable siya. And as I can see here, there's a long-term commitment between the two of you. Okay? And at the moment nga yun, parang shift na yung energy from the tension, nagkaroon na ng forgiveness, and nag-shift na yung energy to Queen of Coins or comfort and practicality because of the Wheel of Fortune, diba? The, the Wheel of Fortune or ano yun, yung fate ninyo or yung cycle ng relationship, nag-shift na nga siya to a better condition. Na nakita din, nag-resonate siya dito sa Wheel of Fortune dito. So parang ano na, inelaborate lang niya, pero yun din yung energy. Nagkaroon ng new beginning na kasi nagkapatawaran na. Okay? Whatever. Ito kasi si Devil niya is a card lang of, yun nga, ito yung energy kasi na in a relationship na may tendency lang talaga na um, gumawa ng something na unwise. Gets? Na minsan hindi na pinag-iisipan na nagre-result tuloy sa isang hindi pagkakaunawaan or tampuhan or away or diba, chaos sa isang relationship. Pero as I said nga is nag-shift na yung energy niyo. So, yung uh, devil energy dito is just yun nga, yung tendency either you or your person to make unwise decisions. Okay? Or do something na minsan hindi pinag-iisipan. Okay, but it's shifting And as seen here by the Six of Swords is moving on, healing. Okay, and I can see here na yun nga, dahil nagkaroon na ng forgiveness from the past issue recently na nangyari. So you're moving on and shifting na to a better position nga. And from Six of Swords, also nakita dito yung Six of Pentacles. And Six of Pentacles is a card of reciprocation. So if you're showing forgiveness, itong person then will also forgive you for ano, I mean, in the relationship naman ng issue, hindi naman lagi na na one-sided lang, 'di ba? Usually minsan may contribution din yung isang party kung bakit nagkaroon ng issue. But that's what you're dealing with, and okay na siya, okay? So, and you'll be happy in a way na ito, lumabas lang si Ten of Swords. Ten of Swords kasi is um, in a, is also part of ending. But what I see here, kasi nag-shift na nga yung energy. Tapos na, nagkatapat pa yung Devil sa Ten of Swords. So, nag-end na to. This is an ending for the um, issue or source of conflict, source of argument, diba? So na wala na siya. There's an ending on this aspect already. And it's now shifting to the King of Cups. And yung hindi natin nakikita is also a King of Wands. And King of Cups um, is a card of security, stability, and faithfulness. So again, talagang sinasabi lang dito na okay na kayo, na-resolve nyo na with the King of Wands showing here now when it comes to emotions. Cups is a suit of emotions and desires. Yung Wands naman is a suit of desires. And ayun, so nagkaroon na ng stability and security, and yung relationship dynamics ninyong dalawa is on the brighter side already. Okay? Ayun. So, sana nakatulong to reading na to. Okay, abangan nyo na lang yung mga susunod ko pang love reading. Kita-kits sa next video. Ako si Mystico Moreno, or in short, mismo. Maraming salamat. Kita-kits. Ingat.